Pramod Dastoorkar here again in Goa in the month of June, about 15th of June 2023 here, enjoying good weather, rainy weather in Goa with best food, one of its kind in KOKNI Kanteen. I'm going to express you today about this delicate best hotel delicacy, KOKNI Kanteen. It's founded in 1972, so you can see. It's in Old Goa. It's Panjim beach side से church के बाजू में. This is the small lane going towards the hillside of the Panjim and the church of the Panjim. Will be seeing in detail the KOKNI Kanteen. Specialty of this Goan food, Portuguese, all the menu and everything. Watch till end of the video in KOKNI Kanteen now. So various celebrities are visiting here. There is a bartender once you come. There is a billing section, and it's a very nicely heritage structure they have built of the old type. See, Times Food Award, they have gotten Dine Award, Times of India Award. KOKNI Kanteen. Today's special is colander fry and baby tamso fry. So the heritage things now, Kokan times you will find very back in 70s, 60s, you will find this KOKNI Kanteen mentioned. Now, if you look forward, here you will find Shraddha Kapoor visiting here with the Balan. All these actors have already visited, and this is very important KOKNI Kanteen hotel where you can enjoy delicate, very nice food here in KOKNI Kanteen. Now this is the structure. You will find best class of maintained hotel here with old structure, best painting and good maintenance in KOKNI Kanteen. The particular thing here is all things are heritage maintained in this. Now you can see the old Dawn poster. All these photographs. It's a small bay which has various sitting arrangement here in KOKNI Kanteen. Now you can see these lamps of old style, which is found in 1972. This hotel has been structured and serving best class of food. Now we come towards this, the kingfish, prawns, chonak, popper, squid, crab, oyster, merkel, clams, shark, bombay duck. All these things, tisra, bangla, kalwa, kuryo, manikyo, iswan, sungra, chonak, papri. All these fishes are available. Now today we have had a simple 2 people dinner I had done. Now this is my plate. You can see this is what it is, chonak curry, the fish chonak curry. Now this is chonak curry and this is chicken caffriel. Simple dish, chicken caffriel, chonak curry. It's costing about 600 rupees for 2 to 3 people. You can easily take this as the food with chapatis available. Now the specialty here, if you find here, is about a daytime they serve in terms of rice plate, or in terms of lunch they serve in terms of thali, and in the night time it's a la carte menu. Now if you look forward, this menu you will find this is KOKNI Kanteen menu. As you know, Goa is especially famous for serving liquors in the cheaper rate. Now these are the liquor rate: reserve, river whiskey, beer, premium whiskey, and these are the rates of the liquor served in KOKNI Kanteen. Now if you look, Goan curry, all these are the finger chips, lollipop, all these are the a la carte menu of KOKNI Canteen from the 1972. Approximately, if you go 3 people, if you take 2 dishes and one main chapati, it will take cost about 1,200 rupees in for 3. So if you take as a dish as a thali, it's costing about 450 rupees for non-veg thali and about 350 for veg thali. So I request, it's my sincere thing, if you are really looking forward for Portuguese and Goan food here in Goa at near Panjim, you must visit KOKNI Kanteen once. So promote Dastoorkar here for YouTube in Goa, having best class of food in Panjim today in the month of June at Goa. Thank you very much.